GetResponse Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to GetResponse are in the description below. In this review, I'll be sharing my experience with GetResponse, a powerful all-in-one email marketing tool designed to simplify and optimize your marketing efforts. This platform is made for small to medium-sized businesses, marketers, and anyone looking to grow their audience and drive conversions through email. One of the standout features of GetResponse is its email automation. This allows you to create highly personalized workflows based on user behavior, like signups, clicks, or purchases. Whether you're sending welcome emails, nurturing leads, or following up with abandoned cart reminders, GetResponse ensures timely, relevant communication without manual effort. The drag-and-drop email editor is incredibly easy to use, enabling you to create professional-looking emails quickly. It offers customizable templates and rich design features, making it a great tool even for those without design skills. You can easily personalize your emails by inserting dynamic content, such as subscriber names or location, which enhances engagement. Segmentation is another powerful feature. With GetResponse, you can segment your contacts based on various factors like location, behavior, or past interactions, ensuring your emails are highly targeted. The A/B testing feature is also handy for optimizing your campaigns, letting you test subject lines, send times, and content variations to see what resonates best with your audience. In addition to email marketing, GetResponse offers landing page creation and webinar hosting. These additional features make it an excellent choice for businesses looking to run complete marketing campaigns, not just emails. Analytics and reporting are robust, providing detailed insights into your open rates, click rates, conversions, and more. Overall, GetResponse is a versatile and reliable tool for businesses looking to streamline their email marketing, engage subscribers, and drive results. Check the links in the description for more information.